Tighten and tone your legs with this tiptoe bar dance fitness workout. Hey, I'm Zach. I'm the creator of Beauty and the Fit, where we make workouts super fun. I want to create a positive community where we laugh, we smile, we listen to awesome music. So this is a workout set to the song Tiptoe by Jason Derulo. All you need is yourself. We're gonna be standing, and I would love for you to do this bare feet, or you can do this in your socks. But if you have runners, it's fine. But see if you can do it on the bare feet. And yeah, you're gonna love this workout. Trust me, your thighs and like your booty, everything's gonna be shaking. So give this video a thumbs up. If you need to hold on to a chair or desk, I would recommend doing that. But see if you can challenge yourself to hold yourself up all your tiptoes. So let's do this song challenge workout by Jason Derulo. And yeah, I'm super excited. All you need is yourself, and you're just gonna stand the entire time. So if you need to hold on to a desk or a chair, you can do that, but see if you can do it just holding your balance and core. We'll start with our heels together, toes apart, feet in a small V. Rise up on the balls of your feet, reconnect so the heels touch. Bend your knees slightly, pull the tailbone down as you draw the belly button in, okay? Little pulses, down, and up. Lower, lift. So we're gonna stay on our tiptoes the entire time. Yes, yes. Down, up, down, up, down, up. Hold, we go hips, right, left. 1, 2, side to side. Hip, 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 hip. Now tempo, pulse it out and down, down on your tiptoes. So really go on the balls of your feet here. Keep the knees out wide. This is all thighs, all quads, all booty. And calves too, you're gonna have such nice legs. It's like the ultimate leg workout. 4, 3, 2, we hold hip circles, circle. Circle all the way around, like Shakira, Shakira. 4, 3, 2, other way. Circle, circle. Yes, I love this song, Jason Derulo. 2 more. Back to pulse, down, up, pulse, 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 down, down, down. Really go on the tippy toes. My thighs are shaking. Oh my God, here we go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold. Hips, left, right. Yes, hip, hip. 1, 2, 1, 2. Stay in it, stay low. Down, down, down. 4 more. 4, 3, side to side. 2, down, slow, down, up. Left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek. 4, 3, 2, little pulses, down, up. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Even higher on the balls of your feet. So get on those tippy toes. Do what Jason Derulo telling you to do on those tiptoes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Shakes are all right here. Down for 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Squeeze. Yes. All the way up. Last one. Stay low. Hips, 1, 2, right, left. Hey! Shake it off. This is all abs too as you go hips side to side. 8, you're so close. 7, 6, stay with me. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pulse. Down, down, down. Oh my gosh. Pulse it out. You can do this. Stay on the tippy toes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, don't stop. 2, hold, right, left. Last side to side. Finish the song. 1, 2, hip, 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 hip. 8, 7, 6, 5, give me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my gosh, my thighs. So good, guys, so good. Shake it off, shake it off. Thighs, quads, booty, calves, everything is like shaking right now, and I'm like, oh my gosh, like literally, if you only saw what was going down there. Jeez Louise, you guys rocked that out. Oh my God, Tiptoe by Jason Derulo, such a good song. And I hope you enjoyed this dance bar fitness workout. If you liked more of these bar workouts where like pulsing and doing small motions, standing or maybe even seated, let me know. I would love to film more, so give me a song request. And as always, please be sure to share this video with friends and family. I love seeing you guys' Instagram posts about working out, especially if you're a big fan of Jason Derulo or like any of the songs that we're doing on this channel. Tweet them out, you know, like post on your Facebook, share the love, share the love. So yeah, give me a comment right here what workout you want to do next, or how you liked it, or how your thighs are feeling, because I need to know. My legs are shaking. And I hope you really enjoyed this workout as much as I had filming it. So I will see you all on the flip side. Thank you for working out with me. Until next time, bye.